Welcome to another video, guys. Today we're going to talk about how to edit your videos or how to export something out of Premiere Pro and move it over to DaVinci so you can color grade or use Fusion or whatever else you want to use in there. Now on the screen here, this is just an uncolor graded, stripped down to just the cuts of video. And I want to take this, I want to export this, color grade in DaVinci Resolve, then bring it back in Premiere. And the way to do that, very, very simple. Select your timeline just to make sure that is selected. Go to File, go to Export. Now don't go over here to export, go to File, then Export, and export as a Final Cut Pro XML. Final Cut Pro, I'm not sure why it's in front of that, but basically all you're doing is just making it into an XML file. You can see that I've done this video 3 times now. This is the 3rd recording. Not fun. Let's name it that, press save. And on the screen here, you can see that it's exporting. This pops up sometimes. I don't really know why it pops up. It hasn't given me any problems, so I press OK and I move on. Now, let's open DaVinci Resolve, so I'll hop over there. And of course, when you open DaVinci, you're gonna be greeted with this cut window. I go back to the media window, and in the media pool down here, right click, and instead of import or import from XML, don't do that, it doesn't seem to work. We wanna go ahead and import a timeline. So timelines, import, and then this top one, which has an XML / in there. It's also Command-Shift-I, but I go do it that way. Right here you can see no color grade.xml is exactly what we just exported. Press import and it will now ask you if you have any specifications about like the actual timeline itself or the sequence. In my case, I'm keeping everything the same. Gonna press OK, and now it will bring in the timeline. As you cut it up with all the effects applied, whatever you had on it, it will bring it in. If I had the music track or the audio from the the scratch audio, it would have brought that in as well. However, I went ahead and cleaned it up in Premiere for the sake of the tutorial. Again, I can go ahead now. Let's say I want to color grade this shot. I can go to the color tabs. I can go ahead and color space transform this. It's still going to be in log, so I can still choose the correct stuff. Log, converted to Rec 709. I'm going to drop it in another corrector node, drag that onto the line there. We'll go ahead and color grade this really quickly. So let's just say we want a strong S curve, gamma in it a little bit, bring up the gain a little bit to get those highlights peaking, down the lift as well, bring my midtones down to blue. Let's say we like that. I don't like it, but anyways, so the offset more towards the blues as well and the greens possibly, maybe something like that, And then of course you can always press Command D and see what I had before. So this is the color corrected, color graded, and that's it. That's all we need to do in DaVinci, right? So now, if I re-export this, which I'm going to go ahead and do, but not show because that would take too long, I can just go to the Deliver tab. I can come over here and scroll back and find Premiere Pro XML. Simple as that. Choose where I want it to go. It's already in the location that I want, but go ahead and choose your location. And choose any format or any other settings you want to have. I keep mine exactly how it provides it for me because it already has my timeline resolution and my frame rate. And the format is the least compressed using Apple ProRes. So add that to your render queue, come over here, press render all, and that's it. That's how you bring something from Premiere to DaVinci. No BS, no fluff. This is exactly how you do it every time. That's how I do it, at least. If I'm doing it wrong or there's a better way to do it, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Also soon, some more personal videos, not deeply personal, just like something that's fun to me, I'm working on as well. So I'll see you with those, but thanks for watching. All right.